Good evening, everyone. This is Ms. Nasreen Fatma, English language teacher at TLC. After Eid festival, when we come back to our institutes, we definitely have some celebrations like Eid Milan party. Why should we have Eid Milan party? If I give my opinion, we should have Eid Milan party because this is our religious festival, and we do not have chance on Eid day to meet our friends. So this is the place where we come and we share our things, we share our greetings with our friends, we meet each other, and we enjoy a lot. Here some students are standing, so I'm going towards them to ask them what do they think about parties. Let's talk. Assalamu alaikum. Yes, should I ask you some question? Right. What do you think about parties?
I think party is very bad because TLC management should know how can we make party. This is not party you come only for eating, for drinking, and you go home.
So what should we have? What should we have more? Can you give a suggestion?
For 1 month TLC management lecture about party, how can I make party?
Okay.
Which should give me advice. But when I came here, when I saw that condition, I regret. What is this? I came on party. I came only for. There are everybody knows about party. Everybody busy with someone. Behavior is not good. I don't like because TLC management should not first they learn about party. How can make party? Then they make party.
So when you came yesterday and you saw some people were not here, okay, just because of rain.
But they know good behavior than each other. They know hi, hello. They were everybody busy and eating.
Okay, just tell me, forget it. Tell me that what should we do? Should we have some games, fun, and some music?
Fun, music. This is a celebration party.
Okay, right. That's right.
Eating and you go home. And this is a party.
So we want to have some more kind of celebration, like some fun, some music, some games. Okay, right.
Celebrate parties meaning you should make some fun. You bring some music, enjoyment because we are come for enjoyment. We are came. We spend money. We spend time, but you didn't.
And we go away.
You didn't enjoy. Believe me, when I come here, still I am regret. Still I am regret about yesterday party.
That's right.
And still I am angry about TLC management because they are not about party. First they go, they learn, and big institute like Diamond, like PCC, how can make their party.
Okay.
I visit 4 countries, but I had never seen in my life this kind of party. Still I am regret. I don't like this kind of party.
Yes. What happened? What happened? I'm telling. You're very much right. Okay. We planned many things, but just because of students were not here, because of rain. I'm just telling. Because of rain, students did not come. That's why we couldn't have that kind of celebration which we have. Let me ask other people. Okay. Yes, Mr. Ali, what do you think about parties?
I think should be celebrated understood because we are learn here for a long time and we want to sometime refreshment. So that's my opinion. Should be on. And example, we make a fun. We make a competition with other students, and we make funny clips. And after we make a celebrate with gathering and with friends greetings. So this is things when we will left institute, then we will remember these kind of things. So that's we should. As my opinion, we should.
Okay. What do you think? Should we have parties at our institutes?
Yeah, because whenever party is happening, so we take enjoy alerts and we fun alerts. But we shouldn't do dance, music because Islam hasn't allowed that. Because when we will do that, it means that we are going to wrong way. When we will come on party days, so we have to game and it's like fun, it's like more things are present here. But we have to not go on wrong way, and we have to go in right way. And actually I didn't come yesterday because of rain. Rain happening.
So were you enjoying rain at home?
A lot. Yeah.
Okay, that's why so it means you missed the chance here to share your things.
Once upon a time I have to go, but I have to my friend. I had asked to my friend, are you going?
They will also not come just because of rain. That's right. Just because of rain, people didn't come. Okay, thank you very much.
We had to do a party and we had to celebrate.
What benefits do we get from parties?
Yesterday yesterday
I'm just asking, suppose if we arrange parties, what benefits we get?
we can get benefit like we can do game activity. We should competition of game like activity like make fun this type of activity, and we eat each other this type of things like burger, this type of things.
Okay. We share food with each other. Okay. What do you like the most in parties? Do you like eating, making fun, meeting new people, and enjoying?
Both are equal. Like must be important. We talk each other in English. Actually, we are learning here. So how can we don't speak English here?
Okay, right.
We must be speak English here.
Okay. So we must enjoy parties. We should release tension. So and we enjoy parties.
We should participate of party.
Participate party. Okay. Yes, Mr. Sahib, what do you think about parties?
Party is very good. That's why because when we learn when we here a long time, and we went to sometime in refreshment should be institute, should be celebrate in institute.
You want to say that we should have these kind of activities at institutes. Okay. And what benefits do we get?
Benefits some different type of games, some different type of fun, and some different type of games and enjoyment, refreshment, and different type of fruits and different type of dinners. Yet.
So mostly people like to have fun, to have parties with their own classmates. Do you think that we should meet different people, we should make new friends at parties?
Yes, actually different type of peoples come in TLC, and many and enjoyment, all of enjoyment, and refresh the mind. Yeah.
So we should meet different people.
Yes.
Okay, right. Thank you very much. Party is the source and the occasion when we meet different people. We share our things. We make friends with other people. That's all from my side. Thank you very much.